Good evening. Today is the part 3 video on depreciation where machinery account, machinery disposal account and provision for depreciation account will be prepared. Already we have covered question number 28 which is a part 2 video, and this is question number 29 that we are going to do today. Question number 29 here. On 1st April 2017, Viru Limited purchased a machinery for 2,50,000, spent 50,000 on its installation. So total cost of the machinery is 3 lakh rupees. So this is happening in the year 1450. On July 16, the one-third of the machinery which was purchased on 1st April 2014 was sold for 15,000. So they bought in the year 1415, put to use on the same day and used in the next year also. In the third year, one-third of the machinery is sold. Third year, which is 1617. One-third of the machinery is getting sold. When a machinery is sold, it is important to know the profits and loss in the transaction. So it is even better to separate this one-third machinery's working note right in the beginning itself. So the total cost of the machine at the time of buying is 3 lakh. One-third is sold in the later part of the year, in the later period. So you take one-third separately and two-thirds separately. One-third separately and two-thirds separately. Okay, so the working note goes like this. One-third of the asset that is separated, two-thirds is also separated. On 1,414, machinery worth one-third, which is 1 lakh. Calculations are done for that separately, and then two-third machinery on the same date, 2 lakh. Calculations are done for that separately. Now, since the machine was bought on the first day of the year, it would be used for the whole period. So depreciation will be 1,15% into 12 by 12 for the whole period. So that is 15,000. Whereas for the next one, it's 2,15%, which is 30,000. So the book value for the next year is 85,000 and 1,70,000. Next year, the amount of depreciation is the full, because it's again used for the whole period. So 15,000 and 30,000. So then the book value for the third year comes to 70,000 and 1,40,000. The third year, the first machine, that is one-third part of the machine, was used only for 3 months because it is getting sold on July month. So depreciation is only for 3 months, which is 3,750. Whereas the two-third machinery is used for the whole year, so full period depreciation. Now book value as on the date of sale is 66,250. Sold for 15,000. So there is a whopping loss of 51,250 rupees. The amount of loss is very huge here. The next machine is kept to use in the next third year also. Now, on the day of the sale of this one-third machine, a new machine was purchased. So that's like machine 3 here. And then this has been put to use for the whole period, but the period is only 9 months. So 9 by 12, which is 22,500. And therefore, the book value for the next year is 1,77,500 rupees. Now let us prepare the machinery account depreciation. So started by preparing the machinery account. The opening balance, that is on the year 1415, we bought a machine totally for 3 lakh. Though in the working note we separated one-third and two-third, here we can record it as a single purchase. To bank 3 lakh. There is no other transaction in that year other than a one purchase. So purchase is recorded and then the accounts is balanced. Closing balance is 3 lakh, which forms the opening balance of the next year. Mind you, we're preparing sums where depreciations are recorded separately in an account called provision for depreciation account. Therefore, asset will be shown only at the cost price. That is why there is no depreciation recorded in the machinery account. So closing balance, which forms the opening balance of the next year. In the next year, nothing much is happening. No purchase, no sale. So this falls the closing, this becomes the closing balance also. Hence, we step into the third year. Third year opening balance is 3 lakh. Third year, there is a purchase and there is a sale also. Now, since we have asked to prepare a machinery disposal account along with depreciation account, the asset that is getting sold, whose cost will be uh, will be part of this 3 lakh, should be separated from this account and taken to a separate account called disposal account. So the asset that is getting sold is 1/3 of 3 lakh, 1 lakh rupees. So I have to separate that from this account and take it to an account called disposal account. So this is just a simple explanation, but when it comes to journal, the journal entry that we pass for this is machinery disposal account data to machinery account. So here in the machinery account, I've written machinery disposal 1 lakh rupees. And then there is a purchase. On the same day we sell and we buy. So we bought another asset for 2 lakh. Now balance is the account, closing balance is 4 lakh. Okay, so machinery account 3 years is over. Now let's go to the depreciation account. When it comes to depreciation account, first year is 14-15. In the year 14-15, on the last day of the year, depreciation amount 30 plus 15. 30 for the 2/3 machine, 15 for the 1/3 machine. So total depreciation credited is 45,000. And this becomes the closing balance and forms the opening balance of the next year. Next year depreciation, the same 30 and 15, so 45. Hence this forms the closing balance, which is the opening balance of the next year. Now we are stepping into the third year, where the asset is getting sold off. One asset whose worth is 1 lakh. Now I need to take the depreciation, accumulated depreciation of this asset and put it to a disposal account. So that means provision for depreciation account is a liability account. Generally you have a liability credit balance. So when you decrease, you credit it. So here the journal entry that I am about to pass is provision for depreciation account data to machinery disposal. For the accumulated depreciation as on the beginning of the year in which it is getting sold off. This is a very important point to note. This is accumulated depreciation of the asset that is getting sold off as on the beginning of the year. So as on the beginning of the year, the total depreciation is 15 plus 15, 30,000, and that amount is getting transferred. So in the provision for depreciation account, I have recorded 2 machine disposal, 30,000. And then there is 2 more machines. One is that 2/3 machine which is still in use, and a machine is purchased on the day when this machine is sold. So that for that the depreciation is 30 plus 22,500. So that is 52,500. Then you balance this account, you get the closing balance as 1,12,500. So we are done with depreciation account for 3 years now. Now let's go to disposal account. Disposal account, we won't do it for 3 years and all. Disposal account is mainly prepared to record the sale. So this is done only on the year when an asset is sold. So what are the entries that get posted here? First, the entry that I showed you here, machinery disposal to machinery. So in the machinery account, we write by disposal. In the machinery account, we wrote by disposal. So in the disposal account, we write to machinery. So then the depreciation transfer. In the provision for depreciation account, we write to machinery disposal. So disposal account, we write by provision for depreciation. Then you record the depreciation for the proportionate period. The asset accumulated depreciation as on the beginning of the year is 30, but the asset was sold only in the July month. So it has been used for 3 months. So depreciation for 3 months period is 3,750. Then the bank, which is sale, and then the loss on sales. So if you add all this, this will definitely balance with the cost. And hence, there won't be any balance carried down or brought down for disposal account. So this way we complete the disposal also. So disposal is mainly prepared to record the sale or sale only. This is in case of organization where they deal with lot of machines, lot of assets, like the organizations that are involved in automobile sectors, who are in automobile sectors, they will have lot of machines. So they don't want the asset account get messed up with lot of entries. So they keep separate account for everything.